Today we are entering into a very important subject. I can call this as a sutra for inner nuclear power. The last sutra, Patanjali was preparing us for a deep love and friendliness. The reason was, he is going to reveal some of the very powerful, very deep, power-related secrets. Secrets to experience the highest spiritual powers, the nuclear power, inner nuclear power. See, the risk with this great science is, just like nuclear power, it can be misused. See, if the nuclear power is used creatively, in no time we will produce enough food for the whole world. We can produce all the clothes necessary for the whole world. We can create all the luxuries which are only now part of few people as a normal life to every human being. If this nuclear energy is used creatively, so much can be done. But unfortunately, unconsciousness of human being and the tendency of handful of people that all should not be equal to them. Please understand, poverty is not because of any other reason except the ego and arrogance, the jealousy carried, cherished by just few, not even million, few thousand people in the planet Earth. The highest luxuries and comforts which they are having in their life should not become part of regular life, normal life for all human beings. That is the only reason why still poverty is in the planet Earth. Poverty cannot be eradicated by charity. For last thousands of years, thousands of charitable organizations are trying to remove poverty. No. Poverty can be eradicated only by conscious people getting into the power of making decisions.
My trust in you, 'cause you know it's best for me to lead a blissful life, a life with no more strife. I can't believe the things I do, just to spend a little time with you. Nothing will compare, I know you will take care.
You're always showing us compassion, your love is endless like an ocean. Nityananda, Nityananda, my life's become a meditation. Ever since we had a deep connection. Nityananda, Nityananda. Oh, every time I see
you,
my
consciousness expands.
Oh,
My heart begins to dance. And every time when I think of you, I just start to meditate.